Everyone, thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to do some math. So here is our math lesson. Today we are going to do our calendar, our days in school with our hundreds, tens, and ones. We're going to do our days in school with our tens frames. We're going to do our days in our school with our base 10 blocks. And then we are going to play missing numbers on a hundreds chart. I have a hundreds chart hidden over here that you can see that I stole 3 numbers from, and I need your help figuring out what 3 numbers go back. And then I also have a problem of the day for you. So I hope you are ready. I'm going to make this short and sweet, but let's go ahead and get started with calendar. So the last time we were together was Friday, which is why our calendar says that today was Friday. But it's not Friday anymore because you had 2 S days at home. You had Saturday and Sunday to do what you wanted. And now today, what day of the week comes after Sunday? Sunday. Monday. Monday comes afterwards. Can you find the next Monday on our chart if this is Friday? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So what day is it? What number is it? 6. What's the fancy word for 6? Sixth, right? So today is, can you say that with me? Today is Monday, April 6th. Great job. Now, we're going to do yesterday. What was yesterday? What day came before today? What number came before today? If today is 6, which one is yesterday, the 5 or the 7? The 5. The 5 was yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday, April 5th. And today is Monday, April 6th. So tomorrow would be Tuesday, April 7th. Very good. Now, come over here to our hundreds, or our tens frames, counting how many days we've been in school. And we are using apple stickers for our time at home because that's all Mrs. Arnold had at home. So I know that's a little bit hard to see because of the glare, but you can still kind of see it. So we finished up this row here, so I'm going to add our next sticker right there. And we're going to count from the beginning. Are you ready to count with me? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136. 136. Can you believe we've been in school that many days? I can't. You've been in kindergarten for 136 days. Wow, that's a long time. Okay, let's come over here. We have to make this show 136. It shows 135, 100, 3 tens for 30, right? How many should we have over here to show 136? We need to change this to 6, right? Which means Mrs. Arnold needs to add 1 more straw, 136. Very good. Moving on to our base 10 blocks. Remember, our blue one is worth 100. There are 100 little squares in that blue one. Each of our greens are worth 10. If you look closely, there's 10 little squares in each green one. So 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135. We need to make it 136. Should Mrs. Arnold add this guy or this guy? Which one should she put on the board to make 136? This one, because he's worth 1, right? This one's worth 10. If I add him on here, we'd have way more than 136. But if I add this one, we are now at 136 because there's 6 little ones. 136. Very good. Okay, so that is going to move us on to our game today. It's a very quick, simple game. Mrs. Arnold has a 100 chart right over there that she's going to pull out in front of here, missing 3 numbers. And we're going to start at the first one, and we're going to see if you can figure out what's missing. Are you ready? Okay. I'm here, 100 chart. Oh, I can already see my 3 missing numbers. Let me maybe turn you a little bit too. There we go. Okay, there's a hole. What number goes there? I'm going to give you a second to think, and then we're going to solve it together. What number should go here? Trying to see if I can get that glare to go away. I really can't. That's okay. Whoa! Falling backwards. There we go. Okay, what number goes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 8 goes there. Okay, our next hole is right here. What number should go there? Remember, you should be able to just count from this number onto this number and know right away what comes next. 21, 22. Very good. Oh, that's not the right number. That one. 22, 21, 22, 23. Yep. Our last hole is right here. What goes there? 37. Did you get it right? Did you get all 3 missing numbers right today? If you did, I want you to kiss your brain. Ready? Your brain is so smart. Thank you so much for joining me for calendar. We are going to move on to our problem of the day. So you need your handy dandy math journal. This is Mrs. Arnold's handy dandy math journal. She should probably write Mrs. Arnold down here. Hasn't done that yet. Bad Mrs. Arnold. I want you to open up to your first blank page. Now, I wrote the math problem on here. Mommies, daddies, Mimi's, Gigi's, whoever is watching this, you do not have to write the math problem. It's a lot of writing. Don't worry about it. They just need to show me their work. If you can put the date up in the top, that would be extremely helpful, but it's not a big deal. You do not have to write the math problem. Also, they should be doing the work. Don't let them trick you into not knowing how to do it. You should literally give them their math journal and they should be able to do it on their own. You might have to help along the way here and there, but you don't need to be drawing boxes for them. You don't need to be writing numbers for them. They can do it and they need to do it. Otherwise, there's no point for them to do this. So let's go ahead and get started. Our math problem for today, friends. Harper had 5 teddy bears. 2 were pink and the rest were brown. How many brown teddy bears did Harper have? Now I'm going to say that one more time. Harper had 5 teddy bears. How many teddy bears did she have? She had 5. That is our whole. She has 5 teddy bears. 2 were pink. How many were pink? 2 of them. So 2 of those 5 were pink. And the rest were brown. How many were brown? Does it tell us? Oh, it doesn't. That's the number you have to figure out. So Harper had 5 teddy bears. 2 of them were pink and the rest were brown. How many teddy bears did Harper have? Now, friends, you can use your crayons. You can draw teddy bears if you want to. Now is your time to be creative because we're not in the classroom, so you can take a little bit longer if you need to. But she had 5 teddy bears, 2 were pink, the rest were brown. Draw me a picture of that. So I should see some brown teddy bears and some pink teddy bears. And then I should see a number sentence down here, friends. Just like in reading, we have sentences. They're just as important in math. Something, and then a sign, plus or minus, something equals something, right? You know what I'm talking about. So picture, number sentence, and we're good. And then I need your parent or whoever is with you to take a picture of it and send it to me on Class Dojo. Once again, you do not have to write the problem, and parents, do not help them unless they seriously are struggling. Don't let them try to play you. They can do a whole lot more than they let on. My little friends, do the work first before you ask for help. We know how this works. You need to do it yourself, okay? I cannot wait to see your answers. And Harper, I hope you enjoyed being part of our math problem today. I miss you all a ton, and I will see you later. Bye.